Within PDK.io, there are 4 levels of permissions: Integrator, Admin, Manager, and Reporter. Each permission level defines what functions are available to use in the customer dashboard. Let's start with Integrators. This permission level has full access to all functions of a customer account. An integrator can add any permission to other users if they wish. Next, we have admins. The admin permission provides access to all functions of a customer account except configuration. An admin can also issue an admin permission or lower permissions to other users. Now let's look at the manager permission. This permission allows users to access certain features in a specified partition. The features accessible by managers in their partition are people, groups, system events, auto open, reports, states, and live events. Lastly, there's the reporter permission. This permission level allows a user to access reports and live events. If you are unsure what your or another person's permission level is, you can check it easily in PDK.io. Go to the permissions page and select the person you want to see. If you want to add permissions to a customer account, the process is simple. Navigate to the permissions page in the customer dashboard, click the Add Permissions button, and enter the user email and intended role, either integrator, admin, manager, or reporter. Then click Add, and the user will receive an email with instructions on how to activate their permission. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.